to get sticky and absorb into the skin, I start grooming my brows with this brow groom, what do I call it, brow tamer. Yeah, so I start taming my brows with this. So I take it upwards. So done after upwards, then I smoothly out this way. Okay, at the tail end. Pretty well it looks like after the color corrector. Don't worry, it's a little bit much. I don't know why I did, but it's fine. I'm gonna still control it. I'm gonna show you how I'm able to maneuver this this much right with my skin tips. Okay, so I'm gonna take some on my skin. I'm gonna put that directly right and blend it in and apply on my skin. All the three products, the concealer, the color corrector, and the skin tips. I'm not giving it to my skin this way. I'll start my lips while I wait for it to get dry. I'm not doing so much because this is just a walk everyday look. Okay, so I'm gonna just put a gloss to this, and my look is done. I'm going to set my under eye. Compact powder, it's not brown compact powder. Okay, I'm just setting the entire face. Just setting my other eye and my eye area. It doesn't crease. Setting spray again. Official mist. I prefer official mist to setting spray because it can let it to dry. I'm just going to take off the bangs. It's all set, so I'm just going to apply my skin. So this is what the wig installation looks like after and the makeup.